Hey everyone, and welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today we are about to create something fabulous. I am doing a swag fall decor over top of my fireplace mantle, and I am just going to briefly show you real quick the things that I did purchase. I have a pool noodle. I already started wrapping it, and the camera was not turned on. So you can use a pool noodle if you choose to. I am doing it that way. It gives me a lot of flexibility and to be able to hold all the pics. Now I went to the fabulous Dollar Tree and I picked up this color, like that burnt red. Flowers. I got these. I'm gonna have a lot of different fall colors so it can be bright and beautiful. I got the orange sunflowers. I have some pumpkins, more of these, and then I picked up the automatic garland that they sell at the Dollar Tree, the fall foliage garden. That way this will give me a base. I got 4 of these in different styles, and you'll see them as I start pulling them out to create this beautiful fireplace mantle. And then these are new picks from the Dollar Tree. They're supposed to go in the ground, but I'm going to use it to bring it, to make it full. So I got 2 in the orange and 2 in the yellow. I've been online pricing them, and they want crazy prices, $40, $50, all the way up to $150. I said, no, we're not doing all that. And then I always keep a bag of old flowers that I may use and cut off. So these are some of my greenery that I'm going to be adding from old recycled flowers to make this beautiful piece. I did go over to the Dollar Tree. They have these pumpkins that are already done for you. So I got that one, this nice little one, another sunflower, big one, and then I picked this up. And then I got a pack of leaves. So we are working with a lot of different picks for the swag, because like I said, you want it to be full from the beginning, the middle, and the end. And so we're going to get started. A non-verbal video. I'll be having music playing through, and occasionally I will come on and talk. So please make sure to have a fabulous day, and as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. I will see y'all in another fall decor DIY. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to leave me a lovely comment, and y'all stay blessed. So here is the final fireplace fall decor swag. It came out beautiful, and the colors, oh my goodness. These are the candles that I got. I think it's like pumpkin spice, and these are thrifted candle holders that I got last year, and they were like $3.99 for the complete set. There's a large one over there, and then we have small and medium. Now, because my TV is very large, it's like a 70-inch, I'm not able to really put the candle holders where I like, but I think on the two corners are good. So let me give you one more close up. And because this was kind of short right here, I just put a little extra, I just made another little display to fill in the space here. But yes, as I said in the beginning of the video, something like this is running close to $50 to $150 if you order it online. And you can do this for a fraction of the cost, all by using Dollar Tree items. They're fall picks. And so get on over to your Dollar Tree and make something fabulous. I would try to find a pool noodle because that's what gives you, your base. I think I'm gonna have to add a couple more flowers right here to fill in that part. But overall, I love it.